नमस्ते, मेरे चैनल में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपको हेल्थ रिलेटेड वोकैबुलरी सिखाऊंगी। In this video today, I'll teach you health related vocabulary, some words related to ailments or illnesses, diseases that you can speak with the pronouns that I taught in the previous video. That is the pronouns used with co. So if you don't know the co-pronouns, you should learn them as well so that you can speak about the diseases or the illnesses with the co-pronouns. I'll tell you how to speak each sentence in present tense as well as in past tense so that, for example, you can learn how to say I am sick as well as I was sick. Health का मतलब स्वास्थ्य है. Health को हिंदी में स्वास्थ्य बोलते हैं और ये masculine noun है. मेरा स्वास्थ्य अच्छा है. My health is good. Health को सेहत भी बोलते हैं. You can also call it sehat, which is a feminine noun. So health is known as swasthya or sehat. Number 8, to mean that I am ill or I am sick, you should speak मैं बीमार हूँ. मैं बीमार हूँ. Begin your sentence with मैं, and the word बीमार is ill or sick, regardless of the gender of the person who's speaking. So whether you're a man or a woman, always say मैं बीमार हूँ to mean I am sick. And if you want to speak this sentence in past tense, you should speak मैं बीमार था for a male, end with था, and मैं बीमार थी for a female. So was is था or थी. Once again, मैं बीमार हूँ, I am sick. मैं बीमार था, I was sick, spoken by a male. मैं बीमार थी, I was sick, spoken by a female. Number 2, a variation of the previous sentence is मेरी तबीयत खराब है. मेरी तबीयत खराब है. This literally means that my health condition is bad or is worse. Tabiyat means health condition and it's a feminine noun. Hence, you have meri in the beginning. Meri tabiyat. Meri depends on the word tabiyat and not your gender. So, meri tabiyat is my health condition. Kharab is bad or worse. Meri tabiyat kharab hai is I am ill or I am sick. My health condition is bad. Meri tabiyat kharab thi is I was ill or I was sick or my health condition was bad. And in this sentence, you're talking about your health condition. That is what your focus is on. So you should always end with thi. You can never say meri tabiyat kharab tha because the subject of the sentence is tabiyat. It's feminine. Make sure that the verb agrees with the subject. So if you have a feminine subject or feminine form of the subject, you should always have the feminine form of the verb as well. मेरी तबीयत खराब है, I am ill. मेरी तबीयत खराब थी, I was ill. Number 3, one more variation of the same sentence could be मेरी सेहत ठीक नहीं है. By now you know that ठीक is fine and अच्छा or अच्छी is good. So if something is bad, you can say the opposite too. Instead of saying खराब है, you can say ठीक नहीं है. खराब है is bad and ठीक नहीं है is not good, is not fine. ठीक नहीं है is not fine. अच्छी नहीं है is not good. So you can say in that way too. In past tense, it should be मेरी सेहत अच्छी नहीं थी और ठीक नहीं थी means I was ill. One more time. मेरी सेहत ठीक नहीं है. My health is not good. My health is not fine. मेरी सेहत ठीक नहीं थी. My health was not good. My health was not fine or I was ill. The previous set of 3 sentences where you talked about being bimar or about your tabiyat or sehat, they were general sentences. That is, you talked about your health in general. But now when you want to talk specifically about certain diseases or illnesses, begin your sentences with co-pronoun. So for instance, when you talk about yourself, say mujhko, or mujhe in its short form. Number 4, mujhe zukham hai, mujhe zukham hai. Zukham matlab cold, and it's a masculine noun. Now understand that whenever you begin a sentence with mujhe or mujhko, that is when you have ko in the beginning, there is no possibility of subject verb agreement because that kind of agreement is blocked by the word ko. So what do you do then? You look for object verb agreement. So mujhe zukham hai. Here, since you end with hai, you don't need the gender of zukham because whatever the gender of zukham is, your sentence will always end with hai. But when you speak the same sentence in past tense, you need the gender of the object. Mujhe zukham tha. Since zukham is masculine, you end with tha. Mujhe zukham tha. I had a cold. One more time. ध्यान से सुनिए. मुझे जुखाम है मतलब I have a cold. मुझे जुखाम था, I had a cold. Similarly, number 5, मुझे बुखार है, मुझे बुखार है. बुखार मतलब fever, and that is also masculine. मुझे बुखार है मतलब I have fever, और मुझे बुखार था मतलब I had fever. I have begun all the sentences with mujhe so that you can learn how to say I have this or I have that, I'm suffering from this or I'm suffering from that. If you want to talk about somebody else, if you want to say he has fever or she has a cold, use the suitable pronoun that I've already provided in the table given in the previous video. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move on. Number 6, मुझे खांसी है, मुझे खांसी है. खांसी मतलब cough and it's a feminine noun. मुझे खांसी है मतलब I have a cough. मुझे खांसी थी मतलब I had a cough. Number 7, मुझे बीमारी है, मुझे बीमारी है. बीमारी मतलब illness or disease and it's a feminine noun. मुझे बीमारी है मतलब I have a disease. मुझे बीमारी थी मतलब I had a disease. अगला सेंटेंस है नंबर 8, मुझे दस्त हो रहे हैं, मुझे दस्त हो रहे हैं. दस्त मतलब डायरिया और लूज मोशंस and the word is considered as masculine plural or plural masculine. When you say हो रहे हैं मतलब are happening, which means I have diarrhea or I'm suffering from loose motions. I have loose motions. मुझे दस्त हो रहे थे, end with थे, that is the plural form, to mean I had diarrhea or I was suffering from diarrhea. One more time. मुझे दस्त हो रहे हैं, I have diarrhea. मुझे दस्त हो रहे थे, I had diarrhea. Number 9. मुझे थकान हो रही है, मुझे थकान हो रही है. We'll have this sentence again in present continuous tense to mean that I'm suffering from fatigue. That is, I am tired. Thakan matlab fatigue, and it's a feminine noun. So when you feel tired, if you want to say I am tired, when you want to say I am tired, say mujhe thakan. Since it's a feminine noun, end with the same kind of verb. Ho rahi hai. And in past tense, you should say मुझे थकान हो रही थी, मुझे थकान हो रही थी. I was tired. थकान is also known as थकावट. So you can say मुझे थकावट हो रही है और मुझे थकावट हो रही थी. नंबर 10, मुझे कमजोरी महसूस हो रही है, मुझे कमजोरी महसूस हो रही है. Kamzori matlab weakness, which is a feminine noun. And here I have included the word महसूस, which means feel. महसूस करना matlab to feel. But I will not add महसूस करना here because I am not doing it. Instead of महसूस करना, I will say महसूस होना, which means to be felt. I won't say to feel I'll rather say to be felt. That means it's being felt by me. It is rather happening to me. That's why we begin our sentence with mujhe and not मैं. When I speak a sentence beginning with मैं, it means I am the doer of the action. But I'm not the doer of the action here. I'm not doing anything to myself. I'm not making myself feel weak. It's happening to me. So, मुझे कमजोरी महसूस हो रही है. Once again, मुझे कमजोरी महसूस हो रही है. In past tense, you should say, मुझे कमजोरी महसूस हो रही थी. And with the feminine form, I was feeling weak or I felt weak. You can speak the previous sentence, that is the ninth one, in the same manner. That is by adding the word महसूस. मुझे थकान महसूस हो रही है और मुझे थकान महसूस हो रही थी. नंबर 11, मुझे बार बार छींकें आ रही हैं. मुझे बार बार छींकें आ रही हैं. छींकें मतलब sneezes. छींक मतलब sneeze. छींके is the plural form and it's a feminine word. That's why we should end with आ रही हैं. छींक मतलब sneeze, but छींक आना is to sneeze. This sentence means I am sneezing a lot or I am sneezing again and again. And in past tense, the sentence would be मुझे बार बार छींकें आ रही थी. मुझे बार बार छींकें आ रही थी. I was sneezing a lot. Moving on, number 12, मुझे दर्द हो रहा है. मुझे दर्द हो रहा है. दर्द मतलब पेन और एक and it's a singular masculine word. मुझे दर्द हो रहा है मतलब I feel pain. You can insert the word महसूस too, but even without that, it means I feel pain. मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, मुझे दर्द महसूस हो रहा है has the same meaning. मुझे दर्द हो रहा था और मुझे दर्द महसूस हो रहा था मतलब I felt pain or I had pain. मेरा पहला शाउट आउट रिचर्ड जी को जाता है. माय फर्स्ट शाउट आउट गोज टू रिचर्ड जी हु राइट्स, सिंस योर प्रेजेंटेशन इज वेरी क्लियर एंड हाईली प्रोफेशनल, आई बेनिफिट अ लॉट फ्रॉम योर प्रोग्राम. मेरा दूसरा शाउट आउट सुगम जी को जाता है. माय सेकंड शाउट आउट गोज टू सुगम जी हु राइट्स, Namaste, really love the simplicity, watched many channels, but you got my attention for a structured content. Watching multiple times until I'm comfortable, several decades of my dream come true. Bless you, Shukriya. Wow, Shukriya. और मेरा तीसरा शाउट आउट बियर्न जी को जाता है. My third shout out goes to Björn ji who writes, It seemed confusing like in German with 3 articles for masculine, feminine and things. Word ending problem is the same. Let's step from one chaos to the next chaos. Absolutely. When it comes to gender, it's always a very confusing concept. You just have to internalize. You have to learn the gender of each and every object and internalize. Listen to more people and you'll soon get there. Thanks to each one of you who's been watching my videos religiously and has been following my lessons and has also subscribed. Please do so if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the bell icon. अगली कक्षा में मिलेंगे. Namaste.